Hi friends, welcome to Codfidence, a channel for you to learn coding with confidence. My name is Binu and today we are going to learn how to create and use functions in Python. A function is a group of related statements that performs a specific task such as a mathematical or analytical operation. Functions help us to organize a program into smaller logical units, which makes the program more manageable. Each function is given a name and later called or executed using that name. When arranging the code using functions, we define the functions once and can call the same function any number of times. Functions help us to avoid code repetition and makes the code reusable and more readable. In Python, a function is created using the keyword def, which stands for definition. In Python, each and every function defined inside a code module is given a unique name. We can pass data to functions using function arguments, and functions can work upon the given arguments to produce the desired output. Functions can also return a value to the place where it is called. Functions can take multiple arguments but can return a single value only. A function returning a value can be used as part of an expression. Python is a pure object-oriented language, but it also supports functional programming. So we can create applications just by using functions and without creating user-defined classes and objects. So let's start creating our first function. I have already saved a file with the name functions.py and I will add a function definition here. Here, def is a keyword in Python used to create or define a new function. A keyword is a word in a programming language which has special meaning, and we should not create a variable, object or function using the name of a keyword. In short, a keyword is a reserved word in a language. Message is the name of our function. You can give any name to a function, but it must be unique in a code module. Any single code file is considered a code module in Python. The keyword def and the function name is separated using at least a single space. The function name message is followed by parentheses, which can be used for passing arguments to the function. Even though there is no arguments, we must add an empty parenthesis both in the function definition and at the time of calling the function. The colon coming after the parenthesis states that the statement def message is not a complete statement and we need to add additional code lines to complete the structure. Here the statement print hello user completes the function definition and is also called the function body. The function body can actually contain any number of statements and those statements do a specific task. The statements inside the function body is considered as a code block, and in Python, all the statements in a code block must follow the same indentation. We can use space or tab space character to add indentation. And we should provide at least a single space or a single tab space for indentation. Genie adds the indentation itself when we press enter key after the colon. We can change the level of indentation anytime if needed. Let us add the statement to call the function message. Calling a function simply means executing the statements inside the function body. To call a function, we can use the name of the function followed by parentheses. Now we will run the program using shortcut F5. You can see the text hello user on the output screen. A function call must come below the definition of the function. The interpreter will display an error message otherwise. Change the place of function call for message. Run the program again. Now you can see the error message name message is not defined. Move the function call to its previous location. If you try to pass some value to the function message as an argument, an error message is displayed. The error message states that message takes 0 positional arguments but 1 was given, which means we cannot pass values to a function defined with empty argument list. Now we will add another function with a single argument. Now call the function with an argument. Run the program. Now you can see the text "Welcome to all" on the screen. Call the function again with a different argument. Run the program to see the result. Both the text messages are printed on the screen, and here we call the same function but with different arguments. The values we pass to a function when calling the function are referred to as parameters, and here the parameter is passed and assigned to the argument msg in the function definition. Then this value of msg is printed by the print function. Next, we will see how to create a function with multiple arguments. When calling the function add, we must pass exactly 2 values as parameters to the function as follows. Here the value 12 is passed to the variable a and 8 is passed to the variable b and gives the result as 20. You can see the result here. A function can also return a value to the place where it is called. To demonstrate this concept, let us add another function, say multiply. When calling this function with 2 parameters, the function evaluates the expression a star b, where star is called the multiplication operator, and returns the result to the place where it is called as follows. Here the returned value 40, that is 8 into 5, is assigned to the variable p, and the same is printed on screen. We will learn more about the advanced features of functions in the coming videos. So thanks for watching. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. Like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.